Here are 8 states outside the 5 eastern states in Nigeria with Igbo-speaking communities that are indigenous of that state. Now, starting from the number 8 up to the number 1 spot, and guess what? The number 1 on this particular list will shock you. At number 8, I have Rivers State. Yes, with communities like Egbema, Eche, Omuma, Ndoni, Ikwere, Ekpe, Oyibo, and Opobo. These are all Igbo-speaking communities with people from that communities as indigenous of that state. At number 7, I have Edo State. Yes, now with an Igbo-speaking community called Iwanke. Now, it will interest you to know that the popular Archbishop Benson Idahosa is from this particular community. Not just that, the mother of late Samuel Odiagbovo Egbomudia is from this particular community. Now, most Igbo people from this particular community tends to bear a hybrid name. That is why you hear names like Nduka Irabo or Omoregia Mwawanne. At number 6, I have Delta State. Yes, with communities like Ika, Ndokwa, Ukwani, Anyocha, and Oshimila. These are all Igbo-speaking communities in Delta State that are indigenous of this state. At number 5, I have Bayelsa State with communities like Osekwenike, Abueto, Eke, Okpokiri. These are all Igbo-speaking communities in Bayelsa State. Alright. Now, at number 4, I have Cross River State. Yes, with an Igbo-speaking community like Isobo. Yes. Now, it's interesting to know that even the former governor of Cross River State is from this particular community, and he is an Igbo man. At number 3, I have Akwa Ibom State. Yes, with an Igbo-speaking community like Ikot Udu. Alright, located in Ika local government area of Akwa Ibom State. At number 2, I have Benue State. Yes, with communities like Umwezako, Oriozo, Ama Eka, Ama Ezekwe, and Umu Ohara. Yes, who from these communities are indigenous of Benue State. Now, the number 1 is Kogi State. Yes, with Igbo-speaking communities from Ibaji and Igalamela local government area of Kogi State. Now, these are few of the Igbo-speaking communities in this state. We have Mwajala, we have Umoye, and we have Bueli.